Hello everyone, welcome back to this short video. In this video we show you how to crop an image in Photopea. There are several methods that can be used and this is one of them. Let's go to the rectangle select tool. Then click and drag the mouse on the part of the image to be cropped. Right-click and select Rasterize. Next, press the Delete key on the keyboard. The crop portion of the image has been deleted. Do the same for other parts of the image. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to look for Photopea tutorials and other videos on this channel.